Ciao! Do you know what is the biggest problem in the production of perfect rolling shutter curtains? Well, first of all, the huge cost of the material. You imagine that when you work from 6-meter long bars, you need a huge storage to store all of this material, and when it comes to the point that you need to cut these bars to length, you waste up to 15% of this material, which is a huge waste of money. And the second big problem is the amount of personnel that you need to transform this 6 meters bar. You need to take them out of the storage, you need to take them to the machines where you cut them and you assemble them, so you need a lot of handling. And this leads to the third biggest problem, which is the quality of the finished product, because each moment that we handle this type of product, we have the risk of causing a damage to the finished product. So, today I welcome you to the second part of this fantastic masterclass, where we will see the second part of these twin lines for the production of ready-made curtain of rolling shutters, coil to window. So it is two Dalland lines that start from the coil, transform the coils and the polyurethane into finished curtains, up to the assembly, turning and winding of the product with just one operator. So you almost have zero scrap, and this leads to huge savings according to our customers' calculations, hundreds of thousands of euros per year saved with just one machine and with the minimum amount of personnel. So it's been calculated that this line makes with one person up to 600 square meters of windows per day, which is what normally takes 4 people to make the same amount of work. So it will be a fantastic masterclass. I wait you next Monday. Come to masterclass.dalland.com and subscribe, or write to eng@dalland.com and ask for the password and link to access the full video. So I wait you there and see you the next time. Ciao!